Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today, I'm bringing you important information about Flumil. This medicine is a combination of aminophenazone, bufenin, and diphenhydramine. Let's see what it's used for and how to take it. Flumil is used to treat various conditions, like allergies, inflammation, and mild or moderate pain. For example, if you have hay fever or muscle aches, Flumil can help. And how does it work? Let me explain. Aminophenazone relieves pain and inflammation. Bufenin helps to clear a stuffy nose. Diphenhydramine reduces allergy symptoms like itching or sneezing. About the dosage, it's super important to follow what your doctor tells you. Normally, you start with an initial dose and then lower it to a maintenance dose. Don't take more than what you've been told, as you could have side effects. Some side effects can be dizziness, drowsiness, or an upset stomach. If you're going to drive or use machinery, be careful with these symptoms. Remember, before starting any new treatment, always talk to your doctor. The information in this video is just a guide. It doesn't replace a consultation with a healthcare professional. To sum up, Flumil is a medication that can be a great help in treating allergies and pain. Follow your doctor's instructions and pay attention to side effects. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.